Hello, here is my submission for the resume project challenge provided by the code basis. If you are not aware of this, I'm going to provide the link for you. Go and check it out. They are providing the real-time scenario problem statements along with the datasets. If you want to improve your skills and the domain knowledge in the data field, these challenges will help you a lot. Coming to the presentation, as a data analyst, it's very important to understand the problem statement very clearly by looking into these factors. I'm going to explain overview of the domain and the company, the problem statement, what is the goal and the challenge given us by the stakeholders. I will go on and explain each thing. Here is the overview of the company. AtliQ Grands owns a multiple five-star hotel across the India, like major cities in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai. They have been in the hospitality industry for the past 20 years, and they're providing a very good services and hospitality to the customers, and also giving the best offers and the discounts on their room prices. And these are the properties that owned by the AtliQ Grand in each city. Although they are providing the best services and the hospitality to the customers, they being backward in the competition. What I mean is, if you look into the problem statement, you can get a clear clarity about what I mean is. Okay, here is the problem statement where AtliQ Grands taking their decision making very ineffectively and strategic moves by the competitors, leading to declining in their market share and the revenue. As a strategic move, the managing director of the AtliQ Grands is to incorporate business and the data intelligence to regain their market share and the revenue among the competitors. The goal and the challenge of the project is to build a dashboard for the revenue management of the AtliQ Grands hotel chain, which is going to provide the key insights about their revenue trend, and also get the key insights where the business is failing and what to do to tackle them. Let's come to the dashboard and figure out the things. If you see the A here, A means AtliQ. No, I'm just kidding. This is how the dashboard looks like. First thing first, I didn't create the multiple pages in order to do different analysis on the each page. I created only one page where it can do overall analysis by using the features of Power BI, like toggling between the two visuals and using the radio buttons to toggle between the key matrices, and where you can show the overall analysis in one page only. And coming to the report page, I added the filters here where the stakeholders can apply the filters like city, room class, and the booking platform, booking status, and there are benchmarks here. Since we got the AtliQ Grands 3 months booking data from May to July, that's why only we have from May to July benchmarks here and the week numbers for the May to July. Added the key performance indicators for revenue, RevPAR, DSNR, occupancy percentage, average daily rate, and realization. This dashboard shows the week-on-week comparison. If I select the week 19, it shows a week comparison week on week 18. Like, did you understand what I mean? If I select week 21, it shows a week on comparison compared to the week 20. For the revenue for the week 21 is around 114.9 million, which is compared to the change of percentage compared to the week 20. This will apply for all the key performance indicator here. And added this table here for the weekday and weekend, which is very important key insight that's going to delivers to the stakeholders. And I'm going to discuss this table and this trend by key metrics the last, which will be very interesting to discuss. Added this pie chart here, and also added the key button here, which will toggle between the two visuals, like percentage revenue by the category and the occupancy percent by the weekday. We can clearly see the comparison between where my weekend occupancy is more than the weekday occupancy, and also category level, my luxury is doing better compared to the business in terms of revenue. And given the where they can apply the revenue level and occupancy level and rating level by clicking on these radio buttons here. If I click the revenue here, is showing the revenue for the individual cities. Among the four cities, Mumbai is playing the very important role in terms of revenue. And coming to the occupancy percentage, Delhi playing the key role in the occupancy, and average rating for the Delhi is, I guess, compared to the Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Bangalore. And they can also see the room level key matrices where it shows the standard, light, premium, and presidential, and they can see the revenue on occupancy and average rating for this also. And by clicking on this show platform, it shows the booking platform by the platforms. Sorry, booking percentage by the platforms where my bookings are done by others mostly, like around 40%. 41% of my bookings are done by the others. I don't know what is others mean. And second one is make your tip being the top booking platform when compared to the all, expect the others, because we don't know the others, right? You can see the properties by the key matrices. For the properties, you can see the all key matrices for the each property, about the revenue, bookings, and occupancy percentage, and average daily rating. And coming to the trend by key matrices, which shows the key insights about their hotels to the stakeholders. Like if you observe the key trend by key matrices for RevPAR and occupancy percentage on the ADR. If you clearly observe, there is a fluctuation for the revenue per available room, which means this will going to affect the occupancy percentage. What I mean is, this revenue per available room and the occupancy percentage have a very strong relationship. If the revenue per available room is fluctuating, automatically occupancy percentage also fluctuates. What I mean is, take an example here. If the room cost is very high, then the occupancy percentage will be very low, right? People doesn't go there, and only people who are very urgent situations, they will occupy the rooms. And if my room cost is very low, which means my occupancy percentage all automatically increases. Thus, key metrics will show in this graph here. My revenue per available room is fluctuating, which means occupancy percent also fluctuating. But coming to the ADR, average daily rate, is not fluctuating. It's a very flat, which means this hotel maintaining a flat pricing. What I mean by flat pricing here? Actually, there are three pricing strategies for the hotels. First one is flat pricing, weekday, weekend pricing, and dynamic pricing. Flat pricing means nothing but they're maintaining the same price from the beginning. There is no changing in the price. Coming to the weekend, weekday, they're increasing the price of the rooms on the weekend, which means the demand on the weekends will be more compared to the weekday, right? So they're increasing the price on weekend, and normal prices on the weekday. And coming to the dynamic pricing, it will depends on the some factors like occupancy percentage and the competition, and some other factors. They fluctuate the rate by the different factors. And if you look at the average daily rate, this is not fluctuating, which means they are maintaining the flat pricing. This gives a very meaningful insights to the stakeholder. And also looking at these key metrics here, which shows the weekday and weekend ADR. If you look into the ADR here, ADR is there is no much difference in the ADR for the weekday and weekend. We can also conclude that these hotels are not maintaining weekday, weekend pricing also. They maintain the flat prices. As I said, revenue per available room and occupancy percentage has a very strong relationship. And if revenue per available room fluctuates, occupancy percentage also fluctuates. This is all about the things I have. This dashboard shows the week-on-week comparison, by the way. What if we want to see the month-on-month comparison? For that also, I created another dashboard which look like this, where it shows the key performance indicator for the month-on-month comparison. The only difference between this dashboard and that dashboard is the dashboard is week-on-week comparison. This dashboard is month-on-month comparison, and this dashboard missing a minor DAX measures. I didn't add it, but almost these two dashboards are same. These two gives me both key insights to the stakeholders. These are the key insights that I can provide to the stakeholders. The first one is the Mumbai making the good revenue and compared to the other three cities, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, sorry, Bangalore, and also peak revenue recorded in the May reaching approximately 581 millions, which can also the key insight for the stakeholder. And AtliQ properties in Hyderabad demonstrates a very high occupancy when compared to the all properties the AtliQ Grands have. And average daily rate shows a stability with the minimal fluctuation, indicating the hostel remaining consistent in pricing strategies, which I already explained. These models are maintaining the flat pricing strategies on weekdays, on weekends also. And the fourth key insight is luxury category making the more revenue generation compared to the business category, which they need to more focus on, which tell they need to more focus on the luxury category to improve their business. These are the key insights. And if you have any doubts for me, let me know in the comment section and give your feedback, which means a lot. And thank you.